y'all. This is the infamous video that y'all been wanting to know. Content ideas. I'm going to show you guys a tool that everyone needs to start learning. It is called ChatGPT. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. This is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has different GPTs. It's like different systems within ChatGPT that allows you to do different things. Like it says build your website, all kinds of stuff. So that's for y'all to look through on your own time. However, right now I just use ChatGPT to get YouTube content ideas. I even use ChatGPT to piece together my YouTube channel. I use ChatGPT to help me get started with my website. More so like what to say. Like it gave me a basis of what to say, but then I actually used a different AI system to do the copy. So I went back and redid the copy. Just use your Gmail account, just like how you go to any other website and they're like, oh, sign up. You sign up through your Gmail, okay? That's all you got to do. So this is regular ChatGPT. It says you can create an illustration. I don't know what that is, but these are different options that they have already, okay? You put your cursor down here and then you tell ChatGPT what it is that you're looking for, what it is that you want to do. It's literally similar. It's kind of similar to Google, but this actually does the work for you instead of you just looking for the information. This gives you the information. So you put in the search bar at the bottom, whatever it is that you want to do. You're telling AI what to do. Quickly, efficiently, as soon as you put it in. That I want to do, there's a video that I want to do after this one. I was watching this lady here on TikTok. The 5 job prepare for extinction. So I want to make my own version of that topic in my next video. So I'm going to show you guys how I use ChatGPT to help me produce that video. So making a video while getting ready to prepare to make my next video. Y'all see how efficient that is? Already. Microphone. I don't type. I'm ready to make a video about how 9-to-5s may be extinct. I'm also going to talk about how people can no longer afford their 9-to-5s. Within this video, I want to not only describe to help people change their thoughts and to have them start pivoting so that even if I don't really know how to voice it super nice or super formal, like ChatGPT know how to do that. I just talk whatever comes to my brain and I say it out. Like literally, I had to write a letter to the state that I'm in, and I literally had ChatGPT do it for me because I don't know how to sound all formal and proper and blah, blah, blah. I gave it my general idea of what I want to talk about. Include any key points that should be added into this video and what should this video be called. Also, how is this video going to benefit my audience? Okay. I entered it in. ChatGPT is writing right now. I already know how the video is going to benefit my audience because I want you guys to really prepare to make your own brands. And when I say make your own brands, I'm saying real life establish yourself as a brand. This is not, oh, I got a social media account, I'm cute, look at me. No. This is to really brand yo-ish. Okay, this is not a game. So ChatGPT just wrote me up a thing. So let's read it together. So it says, this video can benefit your audience by offering insight into the decline of a traditional 9-to-5 jobs and empowering them to take control of their future by building their personal brands. You're inspiring entrepreneurs and YouTube content creators to create a brand that resonates with not only themselves, but with their audience. Okay? That is what I do. This is how I'm branding myself. Sultri Accessori. So what do I do besides coach y'all through these videos and give you like a different mindset, a different mind shift? I help you as you're creating your YouTube channel, creating your website, okay? So if y'all want to see my services, they will be down in the description box below, okay? You're like, how do you help? Just go to my website and you will see, okay? So this is how I get my YouTube content idea, okay? So it says opening scene. It gives me the points. Remember I was telling y'all about outlining y'all videos templates. However, I have a free video template down below for y'all to get so y'all know how to structure out your videos. Even if you don't want to use ChatGPT or even if you still use ChatGPT, it's still good to know what the outline consists of than just to full on let AI do everything, okay? And that's the thing though. Even when you do learn AI, y'all, it's still healthy to know how to do things without AI, okay? But you still want to learn AI because what? Everyone says, oh, AI is going to be taking over the job market and AI is going to take everybody's jobs and this. Okay, if you truly believe that, then it's time to pivot. You got to learn some type of AI. Like, y'all, I literally went, when I'm watching this lady right here, and she talking about that right now, I went on here and I went in my city, I went on Google. I said, do they got any classes on AI? I was in Barnes and Nobles just browsing, and they had this magazine talking about AI and how AI is gonna be in this field, this field, this field, this field. You better learn how to use AI in your field. Go to Barnes and Nobles and look for some AI stuff. It's telling me what I need to say in the beginning, or what points I need to hit on in the beginning. Then it says the future of work, why building a personal brand is essential, preparing to pivot, introducing your website and offerings. Boom. Okay. And then it told me what the benefits to my audience is. So it's a mind shift, actionable steps, because I'm an implementation coach. And I give you guys actionable steps to get you from point A to point B, or point A to point F. However long the journey may be, I'm going to tell you what steps you need to do in order to get there. Okay. They need to take action now to create a more secure and fulfilling future. And you're there to guide them along the way. Yes, I am here to give people clarity. When I was in my season of, okay, I'm taking these 9 to 5s, but these 9 to 5s keep rejecting me. They keep sending me out. They keep pushing. It's so crazy because I thought it was me. Y'all, listen. I thought I was the problem. Y'all, now all of a sudden I'm running into these videos. It's not that I'm trying to find these videos. These videos are running to me. This is God. This is God, y'all. I just heard 3 separate stories of somebody. It was this one lady. She had got a job, got laid off. She got another job, she got laid off again. She got another job, she got laid off again. I saw this man, y'all, this man with the smart guy ears, y'all. I saw him. He said he got laid off, then he just got this new job, and then he decided to quit it because it was toxic. Then I saw this other man, and he said he 50 something, and he like, I don't got no job no more because they laid me off. Girl, let me tell you something. Why do you think, I'm going off tangent. This is supposed to be about ChatGPT. Y'all gotta stay tuned to my channel because I'm about to go in. I'm dang near doing a video that I want to do up in here. So anyhow, this is how I get ideas for ChatGPT. Okay, so then the next thing, once I got an idea, I'm like, okay, if I'm really like stuck on it, I'll ask ChatGPT. I'm like, okay, give me a video script. Like, give me like a sense of an idea of what I can say. I don't like to say everything verbatim of what it says, but especially if I don't know how to start it off that well, like hook them in at the beginning of the video. What should the thumbnail look like? What should the visuals of my thumbnail be? And then it'll give me a result, and then I can work with it, and then I'll go on to camp. I personally go on. I'm a designer, okay? That's what I say, implementation and design coach. So I get you from point A to point F, or point A to point B, but you have to design it. You got to plan it, and you got to be strategic about what you're trying to do. And that's the same ish as branding. And I love branding. I love design. And I love to be a guider. So I finally found what it is that I like to do. I finally found my gifting. I finally found my placement. After being like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I feel so aimless. And literally I went into a self-development journey that then helped me meet God, and then got me into a spiritual awakening. After I came into spiritual awakening, I lost 2 immediate family members, and now I am here to help you guys to serve and to be in stewardship, and for this to be my ministry, to tell y'all, if y'all don't make a brand for yourselves, now is the time. I made a video before. If y'all want to go watch that video, I made a video before where I don't stress it as much, but I'm like, this is the perfect time. We got social media, we got this, we got that, we got this, we got that. We got AI. AI not supposed to be seen as scary. Y'all, we have all the tools possible to get started. This is how I get ideas. Since we're on the subject of AI, I am getting ready to add this to my site. Talk is an AI system that's going to do my customer service for me.
No way.
It's going to do my customer service for me. I've already watched a video on it. I see how it works, and it's free. I don't know how long it's going to be free for, but saying who they're compared to, Zendesk, Facebook, Live Chat, Tidal, Intercom, Zoho. However, I'm about to get ready to add this. I remember my website was like, you can add a chat box, okay? And I was like, okay. And no, I don't use Shopify. That I need to tweak on my website. Otherwise, it's practically done. Okay, it's practically done. The only thing I need to tweak on this website, I'm going to get rid of this picture. That writing right there needs to be bigger because you can't really see it on the mobile version. Otherwise, you can see it really well on the mobile version, okay? This is the back end of the website. And then we're gonna make a password. Y'all sound off in the comments. Let me know how this video helped you. I'll see you on my next one. It's your girl, Sultri Accessori.